What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you the most important part of your Amazon business. Today I'm going to teach you what listing optimization means and the steps that I take to optimize my listings to crush it on Amazon. Make sure to stay to the end. You're not going to want to miss this. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you what listing optimization means and how to properly optimize your listing so you can always win on Amazon, right? So before we begin, let me explain what listing optimization means. It simply means that using the right keywords and the most relevant and highly searched keywords on your title, on your bullet points, and your description, right? What I mean by this, say for example you're selling swaddle blankets, right? A customer is going to type in swaddle blankets, so you have to make sure that when a customer types in swaddle blankets, your listing appears on their on this page, right? But so you have to tell Amazon, like, okay, this is what I'm selling. And how you tell Amazon is by putting it on your title, on your bullet points, and on your description, right? But for example, you might call this a listing, or the product you're selling, swaddle blanket, but other people might call it, I don't know, a receiving blanket or a wrap blanket, right? So you want to put as many different related and relevant keywords to your product as possible. And to do this, you need to do what's called keyword research, right? And how I do my keyword research, I use this tool by Viral Launch called Keyword Research, right? To get this tool, simply go on my description. There's a link on my description. You simply click on that. You're subscribed to the software. You're gonna get 15% off just by clicking on the link on my description, and you will get to the home page, right? You're gonna come down here to Keyword Research. You're gonna click on Search. And you're going to do your keyword research. Just say, for example, we're selling the swaddle blanket, right? You're gonna search. And what this tool is gonna do, this tool is going to get all the keywords from other listings that are currently ranking on Amazon for swaddle blanket, and it's gonna give you all their data, right? So what I like to always organize by is volume estimate, right? Because these are the most important keywords you want to put on your listing because they're the ones getting the most search. Volume estimate means this is how many searches these exact phrase match keywords are getting a month, right? So for example, the word baby blankets for boys is getting 19,000 searches a month, right? The word baby is getting 202,000 searches a month, right? But here's a main keyword that we typed in, is getting 55,000 searches a month, right? So why I like to organize by volume is so you know the importance of the keyword. So the more important the keyword is, you want to put this right away in the first part of your title, right? So if I was to write my listing on the title, I'll right away put swaddle blanket, then I will come down, and then here's how I find the other keywords, right? But you also need to check that the keywords that you're putting on your title are relevant, not just have an estimate, right? So if you put just the word baby your title, even though it's getting 202,000 searches a month, it's not very that relevant to your keyword, right? So you want to put keywords that are getting a lot of searches and are also relevant to your product. So we're gonna go through them, right? So obviously swaddle is gonna go. Look, Swaddle Me, I know it's definitely a brand, so you don't want to put trademark brands on your title because it will get you flagged by Amazon, and that's a big no-no. So always do your trademark search. You're gonna go to USPTO, right? Trademark. USPTO trademark search. Yeah, right here. Sorry, just type in USPTO trademark search. You're gonna scroll down, search your database, right? And then I'm gonna guess that Swaddle Me is definitely trademarked. Aiden and Annie's is a brand that is trademarked. So this is just basic word search and submit query. And what do you know? Look at that. Boom, Aiden and Annie's, right? So they are trademarks, and if you use this keyword on your listing, they're gonna flag you with Amazon. Amazon's gonna take your listing down. So always do your due diligence and make sure you're not putting any trademark keywords on your listing, right? So baby sleep sack sounds like a great exact phrase match I would want to put on my title. So we simply click here, and it's gonna take you to that Amazon search page. Yeah, and this looks like swaddle blankets, right? Look like a swaddle. See, they're all using the word swaddle. So we can try and search, try and rank for this keyword because it's generally doing the same. People searching for this are definitely looking for the same type of problem to solve, right? So they want to swaddle their kid, they want to wrap their kid. So you're gonna want to rank for this keyword. Baby sleeping bag. Look at that. Newborn swaddle, baby receiving blankets. I wonder what that is. Swaddle blanket girl, right? So you always want to put like swaddle blanket girl, swaddle blanket boy, because you see it's getting 4,000 searches a month, and it's definitely relevant to your products. Muslin blanket. So the type of I'm guessing fabric they're using to make the blanket people are searching for. Muslin swaddle 3,311, right? Baby girl swaddle, right? 2,000 searches. Baby swaddles. So we're gonna look at here. We already said we're gonna use the keyword baby sleep sack. We're gonna go. What is this? Baby sleeping bag, right? Baby sleeping bag. You see, people are searching swaddle sack, blanket sack. Look, there's another swaddle blanket here. Baby safe blanket. So you kind of want to, use common sense, right? You want to obviously put the most searched and most relevant keywords on the top of your title. And how Amazon uses the rank juice, right? You want to put, like I said, the most important and the most searched keywords on your title, then on your bullet points, and then on your description, right? And how I write my listings, I use Viral Launches listing builder right here. We're gonna click on builder, and we're gonna enter a keyword, right? So our keyword was swaddle blanket search. And what this does, right? See, it tells you the volume estimate, swaddle blanket, right? And it gives you an optimization score, right? So we're gonna go swaddle blanket. And then what I like to put this guy right here. And you have to do exact phrase match, right? Some people tell you, okay, we'll already put swaddle blanket. I don't have to put, I just have to put baby to cross that off, right? But no, you have to write swaddle again, right? So you have swaddle blanket already crossed off, swaddle already crossed off, right? Baby swaddle wrap, right? So you're gonna put baby and you're gonna write swaddle again because it has to be an exact phrase match. Search, so you can tell Amazon when people are searching baby swaddle wrap, your listing gets indexed for that exact search term, right? So we're gonna put baby swaddle wrap. Remember, Swaddle Me we're not gonna put because it's a brand. You also want to put the plural version because it has to be exact phrase match, right? So swaddle blankets. We're gonna put baby swaddles. You're gonna put newborn swaddle. And then then Velcro swaddle. It all depends on what fabric your product is made out of. Swaddle Me Pod. We can search if that it's a brand or not. Swaddle Blankets Boy, right? So it's Swaddle Blankets. Remember, always write the whole exact phrase. Swaddle Blankets Boy. Infant Swaddle. You see all these keywords that you wouldn't have thought of, right? This beautiful tool tells you, and it makes it so easy for you to just properly optimize your listing. See, Halo Sleep Sack, it's already a brand, so I am not going to use that. So we're going to use Baby Girl Swaddle Blankets. Swaddle New, Velcro Swaddle New. Alright, so we still have 300,000 more searches, but see, you can delete this because that is a brand. We're gonna delete this one because that is a brand. Let's search what Swaddle Me Pod is before we even put it in the listing. Okay, so yeah, Swaddle Me. So yeah, that's definitely a brand, so we're not going to use that. We're going to delete that one. Halo Sleep Sack, also another brand. Swaddle Me Original, also another brand. Muslin Swaddle Blankets. Use that. All right, Muslin Swaddle Blankets, and you see we're already good. We're got 183,057 total estimate search volume a month, right, out of the 381. So we still have some work to do, right? So when it comes to, you have a summer swaddle, zipper swaddle, easy swaddle, right? So we're gonna start writing the bullet points, right? So when it comes to writing the bullet points, I like to do it by unique keywords. Even though it's not exact phrase, I use exact phrase for search, but it gives you more of like a lead way of like how to write your bullet points. So just write your bullet points by using these keywords, right? And it's gonna cross it off. So you're gonna go cotton, we're gonna do like soft and comfortable or something. I don't know. And we're gonna use our, and then we have the words. So we have sleep sack. Still, we need to use, right? So we're gonna go organize it by volume estimate. So sleep, receiving for boys, right? So then we have halo. Then I saw cotton here, right? So our cotton, muslin, cotton, sleeping, swaddle. It's just gonna cross it off, and you're gonna get sleeping, swaddle, receiving, blanket. Receiving, blanket, right? And we're gonna go through these, and we're gonna put them on our bullet points, right? and then we're gonna also use the keywords to write the description, right? So you always want to use all the 100 characters and all the 2,000 characters, so you can get the most. You can use all the keywords and get the most searches and juice towards your listing. Okay. Hi guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please make sure to add yourselves to our Facebook, Amazon FBA Sellers Group. I've left the link on my description. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them on the comments below, and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Love all you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next.